Hello ladies and gentlemen, please get ready with our video.
Before using this lathe machine, please pay attention to these important safety reminders. Always wear suitable PPE, including safety goggles, gloves, and closed-toe shoes. Keep loose clothing, long sleeves, and accessories secured. Tie back long hair and remove any jewelry that could get caught. Know the location of the emergency stop button, in case anything goes wrong. Don't hesitate to press it immediately. Never leave the machine running unattended. Always switch off the power when done. Report any faulty or damaged equipment to the lab supervisor immediately. Do not attempt to fix it on your own. Maintain a safe distance. Safety helmet is essential. It protects the head from falling objects, impact, and other hazards. Each helmet color represents a specific role or responsibility at the workplace. Orange helmet, often worn by trainees, interns, or visitors. It signals that the person may not be familiar with the site hazards and should be monitored closely. Red helmet, assigned to fire marshals or emergency response teams. These individuals are trained to act during emergencies like fire or accidents. Yellow helmet, commonly used by general workers, laborers, and machine operators. It's the most widely used helmet on site. White helmet, usually worn by site managers, engineers, supervisors, and safety officers. These are people in charge of overseeing safety and operations. Gray helmet, sometimes used for contract workers or temporary staff. While not as common, it helps identify non-permanent personnel. Blue helmet, worn by technicians, electricians, and maintenance workers. It helps distinguish them from general workers.
Red welding gloves are designed to provide maximum protection against extreme heat, sparks, and molten metal splashes during welding operations. Rappel gloves are specialized protective gloves designed for use during rappelling and high-angle operations. Their primary function is to protect the hands from friction burns during descent or rope handling. Cut-resistant gloves refer to gloves that can withstand cuts from sharp objects. This may include blades, glass, knives, and tools in construction or automotive work, while the fabric back improves ventilation and comfort during prolonged use. Nitrile gloves are chemical-resistant gloves used to protect the skin from oils, solvents, greases, and some corrosive chemicals. Safety glasses are a form of basic eye protection designed to shield the eyes from minor hazards such as flying particles, dust, and low-impact debris. Safety goggles are a type of eye protection designed to shield the eyes from hazards such as flying debris, dust, chemical splashes, sparks, and harmful light. Safety shoes are a crucial component of personal protective equipment, PPE, designed to protect the feet from various workplace hazards. They prevent injuries caused by falling objects, sharp items on the ground, electrical risks, slippery surfaces, and extreme temperatures. Wearing the correct type of safety shoes significantly reduces the risk of foot injuries.
Scene 1. Loose clothing.
The worker sleeves is caught in rotating part.
Technician fit the red stop button and help the worker.
Supervisor asked to always roll up sleeves, tidy up the hijab, and remove loose accessories before using machines.
A few inches later, 2 hours later.
This action will avoid the loose sleeves to get caught into rotating part and prevent injuries to happen.
Nice.
Its sleeves is secure and hijab is properly tidy up.
Scene 2. Not wearing safety goggles when operating machine.
Before handling machine, please wear safety glass to prevent debris to hit the eye and avoid injury.
Yeah, boy.
Scene 3. Left machine unattended and placed object on running machine.
The worker left machine unattended and playing with their phone during machine is running.
Watch out, the hammer is about to fall from the machine due to vibration.
Wait a minute! Who are you? I'm in danger!
Before handling the machine, please ensure that there is no object placed on the machine, as it can prevent from accidents happening. Don't use phone when operating machine that leads to leaving the machine unattended. Please put your phone aside and focus on the machine as it can ensure our safety.
Mechanical injuries can happen fast. Stay alert. Remember, PPE is optional. To protect your feet, your eyes, your hands, and your feet. Always follow Lotto. Take out, lock out when handling machine.
Please report if anything happens.